Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Pellet grills have revolutionized the grilling experience, offering a perfect blend of convenience, versatility, and mouth-watering flavor. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a weekend grilling enthusiast, finding the right pellet grill can maximize your culinary adventures. In this video, we'll explore the best pellet grills on the market today, highlighting their unique features, benefits, and what makes them stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your backyard barbecue setup. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Pit Boss PB440FB1 Pellet Grill. If you're seeking a top-notch grilling experience, the Pit Boss PB440FB1 Pellet Grill is an exceptional choice for both novice and seasoned grill enthusiasts. Powered by wood pellets, this grill combines the rich flavors of smoked meat with advanced technology, ensuring your dishes are not only delicious, but also perfectly cooked every time. Featuring a generous 518 square inches of cooking space, you'll have ample room to prepare meals for family gatherings or weekend barbecues. With its user-friendly dial-in digital control and LCD screen, adjusting the temperature has never been easier. You can achieve a wide temperature range from 180 to 500 degrees, with the ability to sear directly over a flame at temperatures up to 1,000 degrees. The grill is built with durability in mind, utilizing alloy steel for the outer material and stainless steel for the interior. The porcelain-coated steel cooking grids add an extra layer of resilience while making cleanup a breeze. The 5-pound hopper with a clean-out function ensures you can easily manage your fuel, and the solid bottom shelf provides additional storage for your grilling essentials. Fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets, the Pit Boss PB440FB1 delivers an authentic barbecuing experience that enhances the flavor of your food. With automatic start and cool-down features, this grill is designed for your convenience, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating delicious meals and making memories with loved ones. At number 4, ZGrills Wood Pellet Grill. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable wood pellet grill, the ZGrills Wood Pellet Grill is an excellent choice for your outdoor cooking adventures. This grill is powered by corded electricity, offering consistent performance while maintaining the rich flavors of wood-fired cooking. With a striking bronze finish and sturdy alloy steel construction, it's not just functional but also built to last. With a generous 697 square inches of grilling space, you'll have the capacity to prepare meals for family gatherings, party celebrations, or tailgating events without a hitch. The ample 28-pound pellet hopper minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing you to enjoy more time grilling and less time fussing with supplies. The innovative proportional integral derivative 2.1 technology features an easy-to-read LCD screen that auto-tunes fuel and airflow for precision temperature control, ensuring your meals are consistently cooked to perfection, no matter the external weather conditions. The grill comes with 2 meat probes, which means you can focus on other tasks while it works its magic. Additionally, the viewable window allows you to monitor the pellet supply without lifting the lid, minimizing heat loss. The efficient hopper cleanout system ensures that switching flavors is quick and hassle-free. Plus, the grill's 2 rugged wheels and locking casters provide excellent mobility, making it easy to move around your backyard or store away when not in use. Enjoy the rich, smoky flavors of outdoor grilling with ease and confidence. Number 3, we have the Traeger Tailgater 20 Electric Wood Pellet Grill. If you're searching for a versatile and portable grilling solution, the Traeger Tailgater 20 Electric Wood Pellet Grill is the perfect addition to your culinary toolkit. Designed for those who value authentic wood-fired flavor, this compact grill offers an exceptional cooking experience, whether you're tailgating, camping, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue. With its digital arc controller, you can achieve precision temperature control ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that no matter what you're cooking, be it smoked brisket, grilled burgers, or baked desserts, you can maintain the ideal temperature within a mere 15 degrees Fahrenheit of your desired setting. The Tailgater 20 truly excels with its 6-in-1 versatility, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue, catering to a wide array of cooking styles and preferences. Weighing in at just 60 pounds, the Tailgater's foldable legs enhance its portability, making it easy to transport to any location. With a cooking space of 300 square inches, you can prepare up to 12 burgers, 3 racks of ribs, or 2 whole chickens, ensuring that there's enough to satisfy your family's appetite or entertain your friends. Experience the convenience and flavor of the Traeger Tailgater 20 and elevate your outdoor cooking to new heights. With this grill by your side, you can bring the joy of wood-fired cooking anywhere your adventures take you. At number 2, Traeger Grills Pro 34 Electric Wood Pellet Grill. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, the Traeger Pro Series 34 Electric Wood Pellet Grill may be the perfect addition to your backyard. Designed by Traeger, the pioneer of wood pellet grilling, this grill offers an authentic wood-fired flavor that gas or charcoal cannot match. With its versatile 6-in-1 functionality, you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue to perfection, whether you prefer a quick cook or a slow, smoky finish. The Digital Pro controller ensures precise temperature control within plus or minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the confidence to master any recipe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Built with a sturdy alloy steel exterior and a durable powder coat finish, this grill is designed for longevity and resilience. The easy-to-clean porcelain grill grates make maintenance simple, ensuring you can spend more time enjoying your meal with family and friends. The Traeger Pro Series 34 also boasts a generous 884 square inches of cooking capacity, allowing you to prepare meals for gatherings of all sizes, whether it's 8 chickens, 7 racks of ribs, or 40 juicy burgers. With all-terrain wheels, moving your grill around your outdoor space is effortless. Upgrade your culinary game and create mouthwatering dishes that will impress your guests with this highly versatile and reliable wood pellet grill. Enjoy an unparalleled cooking experience that brings people together around the joy of flavorful food. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Rect Flagship Pellet Smoker Grill. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile smoker grill, the Rect Flagship Pellet Smoker Grill is an exceptional choice that caters to your outdoor cooking needs. With an impressive 1,100 square inches of cooking area, you'll have ample space to prepare delicious meals for family gatherings, dinner parties, or weekend barbecues. One of the standout features of this pellet grill is its versatility. Whether you want to smoke, grill, sear, bake, or dehydrate, the recteq allows you to achieve that signature wood-fired flavor every time. Its wide cooking range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, coupled with up to 40 hours of continuous cooking, means you can confidently tackle any recipe, from low and slow smoked briskets to perfectly seared steaks. Temperature control can make or break your cooking experience. And with the recteq's advanced proportional integral derivative algorithm, you can enjoy consistent results with a temperature maintenance of within 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise control ensures that your food is cooked to perfection, helping you impress your guests with every meal. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grill not only offers durability, but also a sleek and modern appearance that enhances your outdoor space. Choose the Rect Flagship Pellet Smoker Grill for your next outdoor adventure, and elevate your culinary skills while creating memorable meals for those you love. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which pellet grill you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.